What I wish I knew about sneezing back in school, it's not just a silly reflex. Sneezing is like your nose's way of hitting the reset button. When dust, pollen, or germs irritate your nasal lining, your brain says nope and triggers a powerful blast of air to clear out the intruders. Fun fact, the speed of a sneeze can reach up to 100 miles per hour. But wait, why do we close our eyes when we sneeze? It's a protective reflex. Your body's way of making sure those germs don't boomerang back into your peepers. So next time you sneeze, remember, it's your body's built-in cleaning crew at work. Gesundheit.